Hey friends, welcome to the Rainbow Vibe. Today I am going to show you how to make a cute felt owl keyring. It's very easy to make and it also makes a lovely gift. Let's see what all things we need. To felt sheet, you can choose any colors you like for the base. I'm using blue and pink colors. White and black felt for the eyes. A small piece of felt for the nose, any color you like. One button. A little bit of cotton or polyester toy stuffing, some threads, pencil, paper and scissors. First I made an outline of an owl. If you want the template, you can DM me on my Instagram. My ID is the Rainbow Vibe and I will send it to you. After making the outline, we will cut two identical pieces from the felt. Now for the eyes, cut two small circles from white felt and two smaller circles from black felt. Here is a tip. You can also use black bindi for the pupils. Next, we will trace the bottom area of the owl and cut it from pink felt as shown in the video. We will also cut a small heart shape from the felt. Then sew a fancy button on the heart. Now take one owl piece and glue the eyes, pink area, heart and nose on it properly, just like I am showing you in the video. After that, cut a thin strip of felt, or you can also use a thin ribbon. Fold it from the center to make a loop and place it between the two owl pieces at the top. Now start sewing two pieces together. Leave a small gap for stuffing. Fill some cotton or stuffing inside to make it soft and puffy, and then sew the gap also. At last, attach a keyring to the loop and our cute little owl charm is ready. You can use it as a keychain, bag charm, or even gift to your friends and family. I hope you liked this easy craft idea. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Rainbow Vibe for more fun and creative tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.